Hello, how are you? Today we're talking about a super common word, a super common verb, get. It has many different meanings in English, and you'll hear it all the time here in the USA. Let's look at the most common and useful ways to use get. Let's go. Hello, welcome. I'm teacher Shelby, and this is Conversa, your place to learn, practice, and actually speak English with confidence. Let's jump right into the verb get. The first meaning is to receive. In español, recibir. To receive or to obtain. Here are some examples. I got a gift for my birthday. Did you get my message? She got a promotion at work. They got a package in the mail. Get here means to receive. Now, meaning number 2 for get is to buy, comprar. To buy. I got some coffee at the store. He got a new phone last week. We got tickets to the concert. Are you going to get lunch now? In the US, we say get in place of the verb to buy all the time. Get meaning number 3 is get can be the verb become, como ponerse, volverse, llegar a ser in Spanish. Become, to become. I'm getting hungry. She got sick last weekend. He's getting better at English. It gets dark outside at 9 p.m. So something is changing, either your emotions, feelings, the weather, the light. It's becoming different. It's getting. Let's keep moving. Meaning number 4 is get plus a place. It means to arrive or to go. Llegar o ir, right? I got to work at 9 a.m. How do I get to the airport? We got home late last night. He gets to school by the bus. So remember, get plus a place is for going, to go there or to arrive there. Okay, meaning number 5 of the verb get. This is a more advanced English level, but I'll share it with you anyways. So if you're a beginner, don't worry about this too much. But if you're intermediate or advanced, this is for you. Get plus a past participle, any past participle. This is the passive voice in English, como forma pasiva, right? It's the passive voice. So I want to say, someone else did something to me. I didn't do anything. This is called the passive voice. It's when the person or the thing, the subject of the sentence, they don't do an action. They don't do the verb, but they receive an action. This is the passive voice. It can be a little confusing, but maybe some examples will help clear it up. For example, he got fired, right? He received the firing from his boss. The boss was the one who did the firing, and the man, he just got fired. He received it. So he got fired is passive voice. She got hurt in the accident. The window got broken. I got invited to the party. So remember, get plus the past participle means something occurred in the sentence in a passive way. A little tricky, but you got this. Now, my final thing I want to teach you about the verb get is it is used with many phrasal verbs. What are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are when we have multiple words together that make up a verb. So when you have, for example, the word get and up together, it means to, like, when you wake up in the morning or you get up out of bed, right? And you go to the bathroom to brush your teeth. This is get up. You can't just say get. You have to say get up, both words together. Another example is get in, like come in the house, get in the house, or get in the car, like come inside the car. Or you can say get out, like go out, go away, get out of my house. You can say get on, like when you step onto the bus or you step onto a train or onto a plane for modes of transportation, you get on. Or the opposite is you get off the bus. You get off the train. Another common one is get along. I get along with my husband, for example, or my friends. It means we don't fight too much. Our personalities go together. We are friendly towards each other. We get along. Get over something is like if you have a sickness or if you have a broken heart, emotions, we say get over. Get over it already. That last boyfriend was bad. Get over him. You want to leave it in the past. Get over it. Leave it in the past. And the last one is get back. To get back means to return. To return. Like I will get back home later after work. Or I'll get back to you. I'll talk to you again. I'll return to messaging you or talking with you. I'll get back to you soon. These phrases with get plus another word, a lot of different words, are super common. Maybe you can use a few today or tomorrow. That's it. Now you know the most common meanings of get here in the US and some easy phrasal verbs too. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and check back in on this channel for more simple English lessons every Friday. Have you heard any more forms of the verb get? Or can you use one of these forms, get, in a sentence? Let me know in the comments. You can do it. Bye. Thanks for watching.